So I'm back with TravelPoorLiveRich, and I am at the Silver Dolphin guest house and restaurant, and it is a great place to stay if you're ever in Kratie. The owner is a great guy, went to university, got married, had a beautiful family, and the family opened up this guest house and restaurant. It's more of a hotel than it is a guest house because it's so big and it's got so much stuff to offer. And it's got the best of both worlds. You get the service of a guest house, the personalized, friendly service, but you get the amenities of a small hotel. It's right across the river, and it's just a great place to stay if you're ever here in Kratie. It's very affordable. They got great food, so let's go take a look real quick. So this is Pete. He is the owner. He's a great guy. He's a local. He takes very good care of you. His family cooks very good food. They arrange all the tours. They help you with your onward travel to and from. They do everything you need to have a good trip here. Would you like to say anything?
It's fine.
It's fine? He's a great guy. He's got a beautiful family. So right here is all the tours that they can arrange for you. Since they're locals and they've lived here a long time, they know all the good versus the bad, and they make sure that they have people who take good care of you. Take a look at the sign real quick. Right now we're standing in the restaurant area where I spent about probably 2 hours last night drinking and just having a good time with a lot of other foreigners. Eating really good food. If you're here, get the local food, the Luk Luk. It is so good, oh my goodness. It's the best food I've had since I've been in Cambodia. And then over here on this wall, it's the first time I've seen this in Cambodia. It's a list of all the buses and all the minibuses and all the transportation that go to the various different cities. And it's exactly what I needed. I was so worried about whether I would find a way out of here. And I didn't know whether I was going to take a minibus or a bus or have to take a taxi, but it's all listed right here. This is exactly what you need to keep going forward. On this list they have the name of the city, the name of the destination, what time it leaves, what time it gets there, whether it's a minibus or a big bus, and how much it costs. It's all laid out there for you to see. Here, take a look. So if you're like me and you're going from Kratie, where we are, to Stung Strang, then here's the list. So this place really is a one-stop shop for everything you need when you're staying here in Kratie. Great owners, great food, great information. It's exactly where you want to be. Take a look at their little lounge area and restaurant. Features of this guest house is the roof. You can come up here and they got a little workout area, and you have a great view of the surrounding rivers and the town. Take a look. This is actually the back of the hotel on the roof. If you go to the front, you even have a better view of the city. And then if you go down these stairs to the next level, there it's where they have the rooms, and then they have hostel dorm rooms on the second floor. Right here behind me is a little pagoda where everybody can hang out and sit in some comfortable chairs, just relax, watch the sunset, which is what we did last night. And then right here is one of their triple rooms, it looks like. They're big, spacious, they're air conditioned, they got great views, they have fans as well, bathroom. Everything you need for a stay here in Kratie. So here we are in a double room. It's actually really nice. The beds are super comfortable. It's not too loud. It has air conditioning, a fan. It's everything you need. Take a look. They also have single rooms and triple rooms for families and bigger groups. Let's go take a look at one of the single rooms real quick. This right here is a single room, but it's got a nice, huge, comfortable king-size bed, a TV, a bathroom, everything you need. Take a look. The best part about this hotel, besides the comfortable beds and the basic amenities that you need in a place in the middle of Cambodia, is the owners. They're just fantastic. They really go above and beyond to make sure you're taken care of and make sure you have everything you need and arrange everything for you and make sure you're well fed. It's standard to find good people, but it's really rare to find great people, and that's what these people are. See you soon.